Connecting Gmail to Instantly requires understanding Google's current security measures and the deliverability best practices as of 2026. We'll explore the essential IMAP and SMTP setup, along with warm-up strategies to integrate effectively and protect your sender reputation. IMAP synchronizes your Gmail inbox with Instantly for monitoring replies, while SMTP handles outgoing emails through Gmail's servers. Warm-up builds your sender reputation gradually to avoid spam filters, starting with small volumes and increasing over time. Remember to use OAuth authentication and follow best practices to maintain deliverability and avoid common pitfalls like sudden bulk sending. IMAP, or Internet Message Access Protocol, is a key technology that allows Instantly to monitor your Gmail inbox for replies. This is essential for managing email campaigns, as it lets the tool track responses and adjust your outreach strategy in real time. SMTP, or Simple Mail Transfer Protocol, handles the sending of emails from Instantly through Gmail servers. This ensures your messages are delivered reliably and helps maintain good sender reputation with email providers. Together, IMAP and SMTP enable Instantly to act on your behalf within your Gmail account, creating a seamless workflow for email outreach. IMAP reads replies while SMTP sends messages, forming a complete communication loop. Remember to use a separate Gmail account specifically for outreach activities. This helps protect your personal emails from any potential issues with bulk sending or deliverability. First, enable IMAP in your Gmail settings under Forwarding and PA IMAP. This allows Instantly to sync with your Gmail inbox. Next, since Google deprecated less secure app access, you must enable two-factor authentication and generate an app password specifically for SMTP connections. In Instantly, input the server details for IMAP and SMTP. For IMAP, use imap.gmail.com on port 993 with SSL encryption. For SMTP, use mtpgmail.com on port 587 with TLS encryption. Finally, authenticate via OAuth for enhanced security and compliance. This ensures your connection follows Google's latest security standards and helps prevent account suspensions. Email warm-up is crucial for building your sender reputation. It involves gradually increasing your sending volume to mimic natural human behavior and avoid triggering spam filters. Without it, your emails are far more likely to end up in the spam folder, defeating the purpose of your outreach. Sender reputation is determined by factors like sending frequency, bounces, unsubscribes, and engagement metrics. A good reputation ensures your emails reach the inbox rather than spam. Warm-up involves starting with small volumes and gradually increasing, like building a muscle. This prevents sudden spikes that trigger spam filters. Without warm-up, emails undergo strict spam filtering based on sending patterns, content analysis, and reputation checks, often resulting in delivery to spam folders. The key difference is deliverability, getting emails to the inbox, not just sending them. Warm-up ensures your outreach actually reaches its intended audience. Email warm-up requires a gradual approach to build sender reputation. Start small by sending only 10 to 20 emails per day, then increase the volume weekly over several weeks. This prevents Gmail's spam filters from flagging your account as suspicious. Focus on high-engagement content that provides genuine value to recipients. Personalize each email with specific details about the recipient's business or interests. This increases open rates and shows Gmail's algorithm that your emails are wanted, not spam. Continuously monitor your progress through Instantly's dashboard. Track open rates and bounce rates to ensure your warm-up is effective. If rates are low, adjust your content or sending frequency. High engagement signals to Gmail that your emails are legitimate. Instantly provides automated warm-up tools that simulate natural email sending patterns to help avoid blacklisting. These tools pace your email sending based on Gmail's feedback loops, adjusting automatically to maintain good deliverability. User feedback shows these tools reduce deliverability issues by 40%, ensuring your emails reach inboxes consistently. A common mistake is sending bulk emails without warming up your account first. This can lead to temporary blocks or permanent bans from Gmail. Always warm up your email account gradually to build reputation. Another issue is incorrect server settings. Double-check your IMAP and SMTP configurations to ensure they are accurate. Use the proper server details and authentication. Always monitor your sender reputation and adjust your strategy as needed. Check metrics like open rates, bounce rates, and sender scores regularly. Trends point towards increased AI-driven automation and a greater emphasis on deliverability. Instantly's integration now uses AI to optimize warm-up schedules. Future developments may include zero-touch integrations via APIs and predictive analytics for simulating natural conversations. Staying informed about these trends will be vital for successful cold email outreach.